Unicorn adapter comes with two tips in the box. A smaller tip is made to work with most magazines like the AAP01, Glock, and MK23. The larger tip is made specifically for high kappa and other magazines that have a double-notched pull tab or a longer magazine follower. Before we start, it's best to remove the O-ring from the speedloader tip. Unicorn adapter comes with a superior BB retention mechanism, and it's only a matter of time before it falls out and jams your magazine. Place the tip on one of the sides of the main body and put it on the speedloader. The notch on the speedloader should align with the hole on the adapter. Don't worry if it's not a perfect fit. There are ways to make it work, which we cover later in the video. You can now fold the hinge and align the tip and the notch on the other side. If the fitment is perfect or takes some force to push the both halves together, you can move on to installing the screw. Use a 2mm hex bit and tighten the screw until there is no visible gap between the two halves. If it's not possible to close the adapter, here's what you can do. On the bottom of the adapter, you will find 8 small notches. Take a knife and carefully trim these off. Alternatively, you can also take a piece of sandpaper, put it on a flat surface and sand them down evenly. Don't worry if it takes quite a bit of force to get it closed. Once you install the screw, you'll be able to get it closed quite easily. In case the adapter doesn't feel secure enough on the speedloader, cut a piece of electrical tape and place it on the angled surface of the speedloader like so. Then turn it around and cut the sides like so. Fold the tape on both sides to cover the notches. This will make the adapter fit tighter. You can repeat this process several times if necessary to achieve a good fit. Tilt down the magazine and use the unicorn tip to pull the follower and compress the spring. Use the speedloader to fill the magazine. It's important to keep the magazine tilted at an angle and feed the BBs at a steady pace. This way, the BBs will have time to fall in their place to achieve perfect double stacks. There's also an alternative method which you can try. Flip the magazine upside down and hold it in front of your face. You can now repeat the same steps from the first method to fill the magazine. Regardless of which method you choose, there will be a little bit of a learning curve. Just take it slow and you'll be up and running in no time.